circle passing through the points of intersection of the line Lx plus My plus N is equal to 0 and circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 is the circle of the form x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c plus lambda into Lx plus My plus N is equal to 0. Here lambda can be exist. Any real number lambda is the. So how it is? He asking. This is the given circle. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Given circle. And one line. This is the line. Line equation is Lx plus My plus N is equal to 0. He asking the circle passing through the intersection of the points. These points are AB. The circle passes through these points. Is of the form x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c plus lambda into Lx plus My plus N is equal to 0. This is the equation of the circle passing through intersection of the points A and B. So according to this theorem, one problem. Example 5.2. Example 5.2. Page number 175. Find the equation of the circle. Find the equation of the circle described on the card. 3x plus y plus 5 is equal to 0 of the circle x square plus y square is equal to 16 as diameter. This is the question. Circle equation given and the line equation given. Here line is the curve, that curve is diameter. This is the given circle. Center here 0 0. For the circle x square plus y square is equal to 16 means minus 16 is equal to 0 also, right? Is equal to 16, left side minus 16. This is the given circle. For this circle 0 0 center, we know that. One line is given. That line is diameter. This is the 3x plus y plus 5 is equal to 0. This is the line. That line is curved. In this case, this chord is the diameter. This is the equation. So, how we write this equation? According to this, in simple shortcut way, that circle is denoted by S, lambda exists, line is represented by L is equal to 0 also we can write in simple form. This is S, this line is L. So required equation of the circle S plus lambda L. This equation in the form S plus lambda L is equal to 0. For this circle, this is the diameter. This is the diameter. So diameter means the center lies on the diameter. Suppose this point is A, B. The center is midpoint of AB. So first we find the another circle equation. This S plus lambda L is equal to 0 we find. From this we calculate center. That center substitute on this line. So given circle S is the x square plus y square minus 16 is equal to 0. It is also right in the form, circle form. And L is the 3x plus y plus 5 is equal to 0. Simply S is equal to 0, L is equal to 0. That means x square plus y square minus 16 is equal to 0. This is the equation line. Then equation of the required circle, equation of the required circle is S plus lambda L is equal to 0. So we substitute S, x square plus y square minus 16 plus lambda into L, that is 3x plus y plus 5 is equal to 0. S plus lambda L this. On simplification, x square plus y square plus 3 lambda x, this one, plus y lambda, that is lambda y, constant, minus 16, 5 lambda. 5 lambda minus 16 is equal to 0. First x square term, next y square term, next x term, next y term, next constant. We compare by the general equation, comparison by general equation, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Here 2g is equal to 3 lambda. And 2f is equal to lambda and c is equal to 5 lambda minus 16. No need of c here. First find g, 3 by 2 lambda and f is equal to lambda by 2 gf values. So center for the general equation minus g minus f. So this minus g minus f means 3 minus 3 by 2 lambda minus lambda by 2 is the center. So this center for this, it is C1, this is C2, take as, this is C2. So C2 lies on the diameter, C2 minus 3 by 2 lambda minus lambda by 2 lies on the diameter, 3x plus y plus 5 is equal to 0. We substitute point in that equation. 3 into minus 3 by 2 lambda plus minus lambda by 2 is the y plus 5 is equal to 0. Then multiply with 2, denominator is 2, minus 9 lambda plus 10 is equal to 0. Minus 10 lambda is equal to minus 10. From this lambda is equal to 1 coming. So finally required equation is what? This equation. We substitute lambda value here. So required equation is x square plus y square minus 16 plus lambda into 3x plus y plus 5 is equal to 0. Lambda is equal to 1, substitute here, x square plus y square minus 16 plus 1 into 3x plus y plus 5 is equal to 0. Implies in order x square plus y square plus 3x plus y constant minus 11 is equal to 0. Minus 16 plus 5 minus 11 is equal to 0. This is the required equation. Length of the chord. S is equal to 0 represents circle, represents a circle. L is equal to 0 is the chord and D is the distance from the center to the line L is equal to 0 and R is the radius of the circle, radius of the circle. then length of the chord AB is equal to 2 root under root of r square minus d square. This is the formula, length of the chord. So how we represent r and d? This is the chord. It will intersect at A and B. This is the length of the chord. AB is the length of the chord. This is radius r. So this is distance from the center point to this chord. This is D. So this length both are equal. Take it is this point is M, suppose. Here this also R in this side. This R, this is D, this is the length of the chord. So here AM is equal to MB. Bisecting this normal, here also normal this. It is a perpendicular length. So bisecting the point M. Here AM is equal to MB. So AB is equal to 2 times of, otherwise AM plus MB also. AM is also equal to MB, another MB, 2 MB. AB is equal to, and AB is equal to 2 into MB. We find the MB from the Pythagoras theorem. This is R, this is D, this is MB. From the Pythagoras theorem, R square is equal to D square, R square is equal to D square plus MB square. Hypotenuse square is equal to opposite square plus adjacent square according to Pythagoras theorem. So here MB unknown. MB square is equal to R square minus D square. MB is equal to this square cancel if it is going to R square minus D square under root. We substitute here MB value under root of R square minus D square. This is the length of the chord. Formula directly. Example 5.7, page number 177. Align 3x plus 4y plus 10 is equal to 0. Cuts a chord of length of 6 units on a circle with center of the circle 2, 1. Find the equation of the circle in general form. Given radius is not given. For the circle, radius and center are more important. So center 2, 1 given. We find the radius from this formula. This is the circle. This is the AB chord. This length 6 given. This is the center. This R. This length is D. This line is 3x plus 4y plus 10 is equal to 0. So by using that formula, first of all find the D. D is the perpendicular distance distance from center of the circle to the given line, and radius also given. Radius length of the chord given. Length of the chord is equal to 6. This value is AB length. So AB is equal to formula 2 root under root of r square minus d square. Six is equal to 2 root of r square minus d square. Minus d square not available. From the d is equal to a x1 plus by1 plus c by root of a square plus b square. We find separately. This is the distance formula from the 11th standard. D is equal to ax1. So this point is given 2 comma 1. 3 into 2 plus 4 into 1 plus 10 by under root of a square 3 square plus 4 square and modulus. D is equal to 6 plus 4 plus 10 by root of 25. This one 9 plus 16 25. D is equal to 10 plus 10 20 by 5. D is equal to 5 fourths. D value is the 4. So 4 square substitute here. 2 3's. 3 is equal to under root of r square minus 4 square. Squaring on both sides. R square minus 4 square. 4 square means here 16 is equal to this 3 square is the 9. So r square is equal to 16 plus 9. It is equal to 25. So r square is equal to 25. Then r is equal to 5. Next, equation of the required circle. Equation of the required circle is in the form x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Here h comma k is the what given center 2 comma 1. And radius is equal to already we find here 5. In this we substitute x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square is equal to 5 square. On expansion, he asking in the general form. This is not a general form. This is the central form. So we expansion of this equation x square plus 4 minus 4x plus y square plus 1 minus 2y is equal to 25. In order x square plus y square minus 4x minus 2y 4 1 5. This left side minus 20 coming is equal to 0. This is the required equation of the circle finally. So in this center given, line given, we find that distance d and r we don't know. From the formula 2 root r square minus d square we calculate the r value. And the next coming to central form, after the substitution of these values we get the general equation. Equation of the tangent. For the circle S is equal to 0 at point Px1 y1 is S1 is equal to 0. S1 is equal to 0. Tangent equation. This is the circle S is equal to 0. Center of the circle is C. The point is here, suppose Px1 y1 here. So tangent will meet at only a single point. This is the tangent. This is the normal. This equation of the tangent is S1 is equal to 0. So S1 is nothing but x1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c is equal to 0 is the equation of the tangent. This is normal. Note, equation of the tangent to the circle x square plus y square is equal to r square. Here center origin 0 0, radius r. Suppose here point P. Here tangent. What is the equation for this? This equation is the x square plus y square is equal to r square. So here s is the x square plus y square minus r square. So equation of the tangent at px1 y1 is s1 is equal to 0. For this equation change, here equation, another equation x square plus y square, here y1 also. S1 is equal to x1 plus y1 plus. So here no gx, no fy term, only constant is there. That's why we write S1 is the x1, y square is y1 minus r square is equal to 0. This is the equation of the tangent to this circle. Next one theorem. Condition for the line, y is equal to mx plus c to be a tangent to the circle x square plus y square is equal to a square. Proof for this. This is the equation of the circle is x square plus y square minus a square is equal to 0, otherwise equal to a square. For this circle center is 0 comma 0. Center. Any point on this line p x1 y1. This line is given y is equal to mx plus c. So this distance we find here. What asking? Condition for the line y is equal to mx plus c. It is a tangent. Then what is the condition? So here this is the radius. Here to here radius, and here to here distance between the center to point P and the line. So d also equal here. R is equal to d. Then condition for the tangent C. So we find the R is equal to d. So here R is equal to a. Given circle equation x square plus y square minus a square is equal to 0. Here radius is equal to a. Center 0 comma 0. So d formula, distance from center here 0 comma 0 to the line y is equal to mx plus c. So this is written as in another form mx minus y plus c is equal to 0. General form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. We convert to this equation to this ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Here a is the m, b is the minus 1 constant c. So for this formula d is equal to ax1 plus by1 plus c by under root of a square plus b square is the distance formula. So d is equal to a is the MO, x1 y1 is 0 0 0 plus b into b means here minus 1 into 0 plus c is the also c by under root of a square means m square plus b square means minus 1 square. So d is equal to c by m square plus 1 under root. This is the d value. So condition for the tangency, r is equal to d. So r is equal to here a value. Already we wrote here r is equal to a is equal to d. D value c by under root of m square plus 1. So we cross multiply it. C is equal to a into under root of m square plus 1. This is the condition for tangency. Condition for tangency. It is over. Equations of the tangent and normal to the circle. X square plus y square is equal to 25 at p minus 3 comma 4. He asking tangent normal at a only one point minus 3 comma 4. This is the minus 3 comma 4 point given. Circle equation x square plus y square minus 25 is equal to 0. This is the center. Here he asking tangent. This one is the tangent. This one is normal. So here S is the equation circle x square plus y square minus 25 solution, and point x1 y1 is equal to minus 3 comma 4. Equation of the tangent we know. Equation of the tangent S1 is equal to 0. S1 here in x square y square we substitute x1 plus y1 minus 25 is equal to 0. X square is split into x1, y square split into y1. So x1 is the minus 3 plus y1 is the 4 minus 25 is equal to 0. Minus 3x plus 4y minus 25 is equal to 0. Minus taken outside, 3x minus 4y plus 25 is equal to 0. This is the equation of the tangent. Equation of the tangent. It is the according to equation 0 comma 0 center. And we find the normal also. This normal passes through the center of the circle. So this tangent converted to normal. So equation of the normal to 3x minus 4y plus 25 is equal to 0 is of the form that formula bx minus ay plus k is equal to 0. That means we apply direct formula. Bx means minus 4x minus ay, a is the 3, y plus 25 is equal to 0. This normal passes through the center 0 0. So we substitute the 0 0 in this. Minus 4 into 0 minus 3 into 0 plus 25 is equal to 0. It passes through the here k. So this value 0 plus k is equal to 0. Finally we get k is equal to 0. So required normal is minus 4x minus 3y plus 0 is equal to 0. 4x plus 3y is equal to 0. It is easy to find out that for this line tangent we convert it to normal, then formula bx minus ay plus k is equal to 0. In this equation we substitute the 0 0. Why? Because it is passes through the center. That center is 0 comma 0. That's why k value is coming to 0. So finally this is the equation of the normal. It is over. 5.1. Page number 182. Second question. Find the equation of the circle with center 2 comma minus 1 and passing through the point 3 comma 6 in standard form. Okay, solution. Find the equation of the circle with the center 2 comma minus 1 and passing through the point 3 6 in standard form. Center is given but radius is not given. We find the radius first. So this is the circle, center 2 comma minus 1 given. This circle passes through the 3 comma 6 point. That distance, this distance is r. So this distance is r. We find the distance formula. This point is P. Let us r is equal to Cp here. Radius formula, r is equal to Cp. Distance between the 2 points. So r is equal to under root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Use this formula. R is equal to 3 minus 2 whole square plus 6 minus half minus 1, 6 plus 1 whole square. So R is equal to under root of 3 minus 2, 1 square 1, 6 plus 1, 7 square, 49. So R value under root of 50. Center is there, radius is here. So in central form, directly not coming general equation or standard equation, we write equation of the circle in standard form. That is the first equation. Standard form means first equation. It is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Here center h comma k is equal to 2 comma minus 1 given. So radius is the root of 50. We substitute here x minus 2 whole square plus y minus of minus plus 1 whole square. R square is the root 50 whole square. This is the equation of the circle. If asking in another form, on expansion we getting r x square plus 4 minus 4x plus y square plus 1 plus 2y is equal to 50. In order x square plus y square minus 4x plus 2y, 4 plus 1 5 that is in this side minus 50 plus 5 minus 45 is equal to 0. This another equation. Both are same.